Hey there, buddy.
Good morning. I hear siren. Why is it every time we come here there's sirens going off?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think they're looking for the boss, guys.
I didn't really hear them much yesterday because I had the earplugs in. I just left them in. But so good morning.
Good morning. We're back here. You can still see the boss's stripes in the lawn, even in January, man.
Oh yeah. Well, and look at all the leaves that are there again, though.
So we're
that
back.
is like the next drainage that needs to be fixed.
Yeah,
but
definitely.
Like, I don't know if we fix this. I think we have to get the township and the development involved, because this
We'd be diverting a lot of mountain water further down instead of it running off into the lawn here.
Yeah, like there's a natural, what it is it's a natural spring, and it comes down the mountain, it flows here, and then it goes into like a little spring area right down there too. So I mean, I'm assuming that if we just do something on his property and just...
Yeah, but we would check first. But we're going to we're back here to take care of this one. We got a ton of road bond.
I'm like talking about that. And
yeah. Let's get this one done.
No.
But we got a ton of road bond. I'm going to dig that out a little bit more, level it off, and we're going to start backfilling the road bond in there. Rachel is going to put fabric down for the river rock. Mm-hmm. We do still have a major snowstorm coming. They're saying now 7.6 inches on my phone. It's been going back and forth, but it keeps creeping up. And then I told Rachel, not only for Thursday and Friday, a major snowstorm, maybe even bigger one Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah. So just in case you guys don't know, yes, I am Rachel.
And I'm Carl.
And we have a lawn care and landscaping business in Western North Carolina. That's where we're based out of.
Down in the south. So but we still get snow here. I think with this one they're calling it a damming effect. It's going to dam, and they're saying the parts that might get hit because of a deep compression zone or something with heavy rain bands, it's supposed to be the southeastern slopes of the mountains, and that's us.
I'll hibernate.
So, and they're thinking bullseye is going to be Hendersonville, Asheville, Brevard area. So we'll see.
Yeah. So make sure you guys subscribe.
She's going to hibernate. I'm building a cool snow ring.
Carl likes to play in the snow. I like to hibernate. But maybe I'll bring you guys a recipe or something. I don't know.
We'll
just subscribe.
Since we're getting snow, we'll get her to go down this ramp once.
Oh my goodness.
She's getting there.
All right, let's go to work, buddy.
So we are back here. If you guys don't know, if you just found this video, we fixed this drain yesterday. We got to finish putting the fabric around it and filling that in some more, and then we have to bury this pipe even more all the way down past there. And if we have any extra river rock from the job, we're going to put a little bit of river rock there just to divert all the water, and then we're going to make a river rock bed here. But Rachel's going to probably work on that. I'll help her a little bit. And then I have to dig this out some more, prop the step up some more, and fill the road bond in here. So let's go ahead. Okay.
Did that lift it up enough?
Yeah. I need it up more though. Like, but not now. That's where it needs to be. Another inch up would be nice. So okay, so 6 foot is good. So what I'll do is I'll dig out 5 foot, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and it'll be between 4 and 5 feet here.
Okay.
So a foot less.
Yeah, because we can always backfill it. There we go. And then I'm going to take some of these bigger rocks and put them around here, around this stream, right?
Somebody try filling this.
And just throw it all back here, right?
electric wheelbarrow. To be honest with you, we might be able to unload all this. Oh shoot, they don't have river rock. I'll go bring you a bag. River rock bag. It's only a second scoop, man.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go to. Can you go down there and straighten it out again?
Hold on. I mean, if this riverbed was straight, then no, you wouldn't. You'd only have to cut one side, but it's not straight. Boss, you got the Carolina lean again back there.
Yeah, we do have the Carolina lean for sure.
So we're back out here. Rachel's gonna work on installing some river rock. I'm gonna keep on tamping down the patio over there. Then I'm gonna start grading everything, and I gotta dig more of that pipe still.
Yeah.
But the good news is, boss, they upped it to 9.7 inches now.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
But that's for 2 storms. It's supposed to be one Friday and another one Monday night into Tuesday.
Yeah.
And then I think they're really looking at an even bigger winter storm for the following week for us.
Well, the good thing is it looks like we're on track and we should be able to finish this tomorrow, right? Shh. I know. Should I knock on wood?
Okay, let's get out and finish it then, because the
go.
boss is putting me to work.
Okay.
Yeah, and this, I would take some pins. And just pin it down like it snow, we are going to do. There you go.
All right.
I might get even bigger ones for here later.
Okay.
That'll sit on the concrete
Right.
or on the pad, and then, you know, because this is gonna come with the sand and stuff probably only right to here. So we'll put them like there, because the water's not gonna come up here anymore. Now I know I need a board to go all the way across the length of this to do a better job, but I'm trying to get an estimate now. I'm not laying the patio until tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll bring a board and actually perfectly, well, I'm not gonna perfectly level it out. I'm gonna pitch it just a tiny bit this way and this way, so it'll have a little, any water can run off down there. Okay guys, I'm done this part for now until I get a board to like really perfectly level it, but then the sand will take care of the rest. But I'm gonna go ahead and maybe bring some more rock up here for Rachel and then start digging up this drain here.
Can you bring that over to there?
Yes, I can, boss.
Thanks.
Or do you want me to dump it over here?
Yeah, I want it because I brought some bigger ones up this time. Ooh.
You all right?
Yeah. Thanks.
Well, all my batteries are dying on my phone. So quick tip for riverbeds, guys. You should put plastic down or fabric. You would agree, right?
Yeah, fabric definitely. Like, no, we're not. We don't suggest to put fabric under mulch beds because there's really no need. But
Yeah.
the fabric under, and get a good fabric because
Yeah.
you can get any, you know, rippy cloth. That's not what we're talking about. This is a good thick fabric.
Good thick landscape fabric. If you see,
Yeah.
and it does make a difference with erosion.
Yeah.
Without
it helps
that
with
there-
erosion. It helps so that weeds don't grow up as much. But again, weeds are 99% airborne. So
Yeah.
if dirt gets in here, weeds are going to grow anyway. But mainly the erosion.
So there you guys go. And then all you do is line the bigger ones, a little bit bigger ones on the outside, put them in like you seen Rachel stacking it all.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna get little rock to fill in probably the little areas, right?
Yeah, so like I want to get like, I guess some 2 to 5 inch. And then what we'll do is we'll just do like almost like another layer,
Yeah.
right?
So the purpose is all the water that comes down this way now will run into the drain. It's tapered up here so any overflow won't spill over. And then anything coming down off this mountain, the goal is it'll come into the drain, and anything that washes will run down into the river rock bed or alongside of it. But mainly this riverbed is to just catch any water off the hill, and if we get excess rain in this bin.
And to keep it from ruining
Yeah.
the house.
Yeah, and we put a good 6-7 inch base.
Yeah.
You don't have to go that much with a little landing like this, but because of all the washout and the backfill we did, we wanted to make sure it was good. And the patio should, after my sand of about 3/4 of an inch, and then my block, come right up here with this, and just below here, and then we're gonna get some bigger stones to line this here. And then finish that drain. So let me go get the rest of the rock because I might dig some of that drain. So guys, it's getting dark and cold out. So we're gonna call it a day. This is what we got done so far. Not bad. So the drainage issue will be taken care of. All the way down to here, the rock's gonna go. Then the drain came out over there. We're gonna put maybe a little bit of rock there, but all the water is gonna go that way anyway. So done for the night.